Hey Bling Squad, it's another bump box unboxing. So let's go see what I got. Just because I'm in the hospital doesn't mean life stops, right? So when Brandon and Lauren came to visit, they brought me another bump box. At this point, I'll probably get one more, and then that'll be it because, as you all know, baby is coming. And these are clearly for when you're pregnant. So I'm going to do my best to open this thing. Let me see if I can find a knife or something. Plasticware. Gotta love it, right? I mean, I'm not going to get an actual knife in the hospital, right? Alright, so let's open this bad boy up. I've actually been holding on to this for quite a while, waiting for the right time. Ooh, this looks good. So, I'll show you guys. This is kind of what it looks like right now. And on the top, the first thing I see is cranberry almond maple crunchy clusters. The last one of these I got was good from them as well, so that's pretty good. This would be a nice little snack. Again, you guys see I'm in the hospital, so snacks are definitely a must. I am pregnant and in the hospital, so my appetite is on like 100, right? Of course, each bump box has a little card, and this one says, "Let the nesting begin." I can't nest, but it's okay. It's okay. From my understanding, Brandon and Lauren are definitely taking care of things back at the house. They're getting the nursery ready, so you know, it's cool. Somebody's nesting. It's not me. Somebody's nesting. And actually, I should take that statement back. Before I continue, one of the nurses told me today, this is one of the cleanest rooms she's been in. And I told her, I was like, yeah, you know, some days I just sleep on and off all day. You know, I just kind of take time for myself. Other times, I like straighten up the room. As I said in the last video, if you didn't watch it, please go back and check it out. As I said in the last video, though, there's not really much to clean up, but just, you know, to straighten it up and to feel like I'm doing something, right? And not just sitting in the bed all day, all the time. The next card is the free breast pump. Again, if there's any mamas out there who needs a breast pump, let me know. I've got this here. It's got the little scanner code, and I'll hook you up because I already have one. Next I see Good Natural brand Lemon Love Essential Oil Surface Cleaner. It's an empty bottle. It does have the little spray. So this would be really good in the cleaning and sanitizing once the baby is here. I can't say before because I'm here. It is what it is. But it's cool. And here's the actual lemon cleaner. It's Good Natured brand. Lemon Love Essential Oil Surface Cleaner Concentrate. It's got water, capryl glucoside, citrus lemon, which is lemon peel oil, diesel glucoside, citrus something, orange oil. I can't read these words. And lemongrass oil. So it says to use, shake gently, combine 2 ounces of concentrate with 14 ounces of water in a spray bottle, then simply spray on the surface and wipe. So good stuff. I like more natural and holistic products anyway, so yay. Ooh, Bella Bee Body Buzz Post Pregnancy Recovery Cream, skin firming and cellulite control. It is hypoallergenic, paraben free, and it has a mild, fresh scent. And it's made with organic ingredients. So as I just said, what I love a good holistic natural product. I'm going to open it up and smell it. Because, you know, it's got to smell good too, right? Let's see. Ooh, very pretty. It's got a nice, light, airy smell to it. Very nice, very nice. The next item, I don't know if you guys can tell. I'm trying not to look at it because I might cry. So, here's the thing, right? For those of you who've been following my journey, you know that me ending up in the hospital at 30 weeks, actually technically 29 weeks, was a big surprise. Was not something we were expecting. The pregnancy was going perfect by all accounts. At about 25 weeks, boom, baby small. We'll recheck at 28 weeks and 5 days. It was like, oh my God, baby small, because the blood flow to the placenta was abnormal. Let's recheck at 29 weeks. That was a Friday. I went in, and next thing I know, I'm being admitted to the hospital, right? That's how that went. So I do have a bag because something told me to pack some items because I might go into the hospital, but I didn't think I was gonna be here for so long. So while I did pack a bag, and I will do a video to show what I had in my bag, I didn't have all the items in my bag that I wanted. And one of the items that I really wanted was this right here. It is the Clean Touch ink pad. No mess, baby's foot never touches the ink. So basically it's a footprint of the baby, and it's no mess. I was gonna buy one on Amazon, and because everything happened so quickly, I never got the opportunity to, and now here I am in the hospital. I was thinking about it today as I was watching my cousin Cherie. Shout out to you, Cherie, if you're on here. I was watching her, what I packed in my hospital bag, and I was just like, oh my gosh, I never got my little keepsake, pad for the baby, because everything just happened so fast, and it was like one of the last things that was on my mind. Making sure the baby is okay was first, clearly. But there it is. I had to open it up so I could see what it looks like, because you hear about this thing so much. So clearly it says here, stop, wrong side, turn the card over. So you press the baby's foot, hand, whatever here, and then I'm assuming this is the card. There's actually two of them, so I guess one is for the hand print and one is for the footprint. So I'm not gonna cry, but I am emotional because it was one of the things that I really wanted to get. And as I was watching, like I said, my cousin's video today, I was just like, oh my God, I never got mine. No. And now I open up this bump box that has been sitting here for almost 2 weeks, and would you know, I got mine. I'm telling you, man, what they say, God works in mysterious ways, right? So that's really awesome. Like, really, really awesome. Let's see what else this surprise box has. This is my new breast friend. Awesome, because I am definitely going to try to breastfeed. It says our highly effective feel-good formulations are packed with natural plant-based actives to deliver results you can see and feel. Count on us to nourish and nurture your body and mind for a healthy glow from bump to baby. So it is an omega-rich soothing bust cream for pregnancy skincare. Let's see what it says. Our pregnancy boob tube is clinically proven to increase skin elasticity and moisture, helping to protect growing breast against stretch mark. Well, that is awesome, because most people, or I should say most products, focus on the belly. This focuses on the boobies. So that's good. I can start using this, because I remember with Lauren, my breast did get engorged at times. Let me see. It won't let me twist it. Oh, it's already open. Oh, it smells very nice too. But yeah, my breast would get engorged, and you know, didn't happen to me, but you can get stretch marks on your breast as well, because yeah, they do grow. So that's awesome. And then the last thing in here is a back scrubber with handles. Awesome. That's pretty cool. This is by After Spa. So this is a good box, especially for me being here in the hospital, not having all the things that I need. I'm really excited to get the next box. So far, the boxes that I have received have all been great, packed with good stuff for me to actually use. And then we can end this off with the prices of everything. So the After Spa back scrubber was $9. The Pure Head Clean Touch ink pad was only $5.99. The Good Natured Natural Lemon Surface Cleaner was $10.99. The Bella Bee Body Buzz Post-Pregnancy Recovery Cream was $12.99. And the Mama Mio Pregnancy Boob Tube Cream was $35. So this nesting box is worth $73.97. Whew, crazy. I also have a little a QR code here that you can scan, and I can give someone a free box. And my first box was free as well. Shout out to my friend Christina, who sent it to me for me to try out, and I was excited to try it. But yeah, sorry about that. I gotta kind of sit back so you can see all of me. As you see, I'm in the bed, just trying to relax. It is a little bit after 10 now, but that was the next installment of my bump boxes. Like I said, this will be one of the last ones. I'll probably have one more to go, and then that's it, because if all goes well, as I stated on my last video, baby should be here in 34 weeks, and I am currently 30 weeks. So again, thank you guys for continuing to join me on this journey. Look out for more videos, as I will continue to post even while I'm here in the hospital. So as always, the journey continues, Bling Squad. And if you're not a part of the Bling Squad, please be sure to hit the subscription button. Make sure you also like and share this video. Someone may be able to use it. You never know. Somebody might be wanting a bump box, and hey, I can give it to them for free. They can at least try it out. And definitely hit the notification bell, so that way you know when I do new videos, because especially right now, I'm in the hospital. Who knows when I'll post? You know, I can't say everything's gonna be consistent, because life is crazy right now. It's kind of a touch and go situation, as they say. So far, the baby is stable and she's doing well, but you never know. Things can change. But all right, until the next video, Bling Squad. Mwah, mwah, mwah.